top headlines for the day.
It's that time of the year when people are waiting with bated breath to watch the fun and action unravel at the Filmfare Awards, which will be aired on 18 February at 9 p.m. The night will be ablaze as the cream of Bollywood will be present at the duo. One such celebrity is Salman Khan, who has set the stage on fire with his power-packed performance, leaving the audience tapping their feet to the energetic beats. Dressed in black, the Sultan looked his stunning best as he shook a leg to some of the best numbers. What a performance! The uproar was ear-splitting and the entire atmosphere was electric thanks to the Dabangg Khan. So are you excited to tune on to Sony Channel this Sunday to watch the award ceremony? Let us know by commenting in the section below. The web has gone berserk condemning Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan for naming their first child Taimur Ali Khan Pataudy. People were left wondering why the parents had named their son after a violent Turkish invader. But amidst the outrage, Saif and Kareena remained calm and unfazed until recently when Saif spoke about his son's name, revealing that he had known people with the same name during his childhood and the only meaning attached to it was iron. On a lighter note, Saif added a justification revealing Shah Rukh's connection with Taimur. The Nawab revealed one of Taimur's most able generals was his son and his name was Shah Rukh. So if we start getting into what names are right or wrong, then we would be changing everyone's names. Like Calcutta Airport. Now that's some food for thought, isn't it? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan's jukebox is a mixed bag catering to all age groups, and we must say that each number is unique and impressive. After a peppy title track and a remix of Tamma Tamma, the makers launched a soulful number Samjhava, and now the latest track Humsafar will simply wash over you like an ocean of love, with each wave hitting you hard and straight in the heart. Ever since its launch, the song has received rave reviews and is high on the playlist of all the lover girls and boys. Akhil Sachdeva and Mansheel Gujral's voice is at its mesmerizing best, transporting one instantly to the dreamy land of love and bliss. Clearly a winner in the race of romantic numbers. Don't you think so? Let us know what you think of this wonderful number by commenting in the section below. Well, this is the right time Jacqueline can take a cue from her mentor Salman Khan, as she is going to be a part of the much-awaited Judwaa 2. Don't we remember Salman playing the double role so well and how much it was a favorite of the 90s film going public? Well, that is now going to be played by none other than our very own Varun Dhawan with Jacqueline in tow. Jackie always attributes her success to Sajid, besties Sonam and Sujoy, and of course her mentor Salman Khan. But it is the Dabangg S which will feature more in her life now that she's coming up with his own film. Jacqueline meanwhile would also be seen with Siddharth Malhotra in Reload, and Salman is busy with his E2017 Tube Light. But we know for sure he would find time to guide Jacqueline through Judwaa 2. What do you say? Superstar Salman Khan's Being Human Foundation has spread its wings in all directions, and now the family continues to grow with new ventures cropping up. The campaign is also earning admiration from celebrities and social activists who are willing to jump onto the bandwagon and do their bit for the betterment of the less fortunate. And now the latest entrant into the Being Human family is the very talented and stunning beauty Amy Jackson. Salman Khan and Amy Jackson are working together for the new Being Human campaign, and we must say that the two share an amazing chemistry. The ease with which the two work gives us the hope that one day we will soon get to see them pair for a film. While we wait for this to happen, we can't help but notice the smile on their faces as they gear up for the campaign. Wouldn't these two make the most amazing on-screen couples? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Superstar Salman Khan spreads joy with his mere presence. Boasting of an immense fan base, Salman is never tired of meeting his fans. Despite his busy schedule, the busy as a B actor made it a point to meet and interact with his fans who thronged the sets of his upcoming film Tube Light. Recently, a couple of pictures of the Sultan mingling with fans went viral, and we must say the young lad seemed to have a tough time controlling their smiles. Posing for pictures with his fans, Salman has given his fans memories for a lifetime. Tube Light, which is all set to release in Eid this year, is a war-based cross-border love story which is set against the backdrop of the Indo-Chinese War of 1962. While we await the release of the film, do spare some time to look at these fan pictures and share your thoughts in the comments section. So Shahid and Meera were spotted at their favourite eatery in Bandra, but it was not on Valentine's Day, but post-Valentine's. Obviously for Shahid, starring Kangna and Saif. What an irony that Shahid and Saif are in the same film and they both are fathers in real life and they both have had a common girl, Kareena. Well, that is past and now Shahid is busy with Meera, the love of his life, and Misha, the apple of his eye. Meera looked swell in a black frock and she sure has come back to shape after her delivery. Kareena too is looking gorgeous post-delivery and we are simply loving to follow up this fashion quotient between the two ex-lovers. As for Shahid, trailers of his Rangoon show him in a stern, suave role and we are eagerly waiting for its release. What about you? Do let us know.
Versatile Anushka Sharma's upcoming film Filori is an intriguing, fascinating story where she essays the role of a ghost. And the makers have now launched the first song from their film. Just yesterday, Anushka tweeted a teaser where she announced that the Sufi love song would be releasing this Thursday, following the footsteps of SRK, who had mounted the lyrics of Zalima in a teaser video. The bubbly actress too recited a few lines from the song in the teaser. Dam dam urti hai dua, 100 pank laga tere naam ke, mera dil fakira ho gaya jalti aag tere naam pe. Fascinating and enchanting at its best. This soulful Sufi number has created waves and is indeed one of the best love songs of the year. So, have you let the Dum Dum wave flow over you yet? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
Kareena Kapoor Khan surely is a head-turner and impresses one and all with her style and elegance. Recently, she caught the eyes for her fancy and interesting phone cover. Yes, when Bebo does things, it's in her own style. Recently, we spotted a caption on her phone cover which read, "Working 9 to wine." Now, doesn't that aptly sum up her lifestyle? The diva has remained active throughout her pregnancy and even later and has resumed working hard. But it's never too late to party and the style icon is all game for any celebration, be it an impromptu bash or an elaborate, well-planned lavish celebration. In fact, just days before she delivered her bony boy Temur, Kareena was spotted working on a photo shoot and now, barely 2 months into motherhood, and she is up and about walking the ramp. Kareena seems to be working hard trying to shed her post-pregnancy weight to gear up to resume shooting for Veere the Wedding, and we must say she is doing quite a good job. While we are at it, let us know if you too appreciated the caption on Bebo's phone cover. Superstars Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan will be gracing the premiere of Govinda's upcoming film Aa Gaya Hero. Apparently, the film premiere will be a very closed affair and will not have the usual celebrities marking their presence. In fact, Govinda himself stated, "3 of us, Salman, Shah Rukh and I, will be the only stars at the premiere." Now that's some news. Salman and Govinda had teamed up for the 2017 hit film Partner and their friendship has stood the test of time. While we await the news of Aa Gaya Hero, we wonder if the hit jodi will come together once more. SRK being present is an added delight, and with three of these buddies coming together, it will be a night to reckon with. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below.